everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you some long gown designs which you can make from your old plain silk sarees, and also give some embroidery designs to make your neckline attractive. And these you can pair with any chiffon, georgette dupatta or net dupattas, and also you can try to pair it with Banarsi silk dupattas with any contrast color churidar, or any kind of patchwork you can add. So continue watching this video till the end to know various designs for your long gown.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.